Man, what a mess. We got a tanker there, got a tanker here on the street, got a reefer right here. Good thing I came here first. And then you got another truck there, and then I'm in the dock. It's one tight dock. Alright, now I do think we're recording. Let's head on out. Got loaded up. It said left on, whatever, and then right on. Said left on Stark, and then right on that other street on Parkway. Yep. This stuff is heavy. No, I'm not coming back down here again anytime soon. Gotta go way over here. Man, it's tight. It is tight out here, y'all. It is tight. Let's see, make sure this dash cam keeps dying on me. I don't know why. Keeps shutting off. So like, yeah, if there were cars parked here in the front, I would not be making this turn, and I'm riding all the curves. Got my strap hanging out my trailer, but he already sealed it up. I didn't notice it. Man, I hate downtowns. Got a tire shop here on the left that we just passed up. Gotta make a left up there, so I gotta wait till everybody clears out so I can make a left, because I gotta go hop all the way in that left lane. Man, I'm gonna come out a little bit. Sign said 75 northbound over here. pop a left over here. That looks tight. Yeah, I don't think I'm turning in there. And my freaking truck GPS died. This lane ends. I gotta make sure it's not the power to it. Straight smoking weed, like chilling. We'll turn right here. I still haven't been to a downtown anywhere that I could say, oh, this place is clean. Seems like a nice place to raise a family. It's just not. I guess when you have so many people in one place, it's just not possible to have it nice and control the crime and everything. That's why I would never live in a downtown. It's just way too hectic. I guess, like, if you're young, you know, if you're in your, you know, early 20s and whatnot, and you go to college, like, you want to have fun, you want to be close to bars, shops, etc., that's cool. But, like, raising a family, hell no. I wouldn't live in New York City if somebody paid me. safe to the interstate. Get this out of our trailer and head home. About 230 miles to 74 West is where we're headed to our delivery, and then we're gonna head on home. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe. It's about to rain. Keep you posted later on the next one. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.